How to create an Exness account. Sign up Exness tutorial with partner code m0e2l7l08k. Creating an Exness account is a quick and straightforward process, allowing you to start trading Forex, stocks, and more in no time. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through signing up on Exness using the exclusive partner code m0e2l7l08k to unlock additional benefits and offers. Let's get started on your Exness journey. Step 1. Visit the Exness website. Head to the Exness website, or use the link in the video description or comments for convenience. Make sure to use the partner code m0e2l7l08k to ensure you're linked to exclusive benefits. Step 2. Start the registration process. Click on Open Account at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and set a password. Tip: choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to secure your account. Enter the partner code m0e2l7l08k in the designated field. Using this code will link you to any available benefits associated with the partner program. Step 3. Complete personal details. Once you've registered, Exness will ask for additional personal details to comply with regulatory requirements. Fill out full name, as it appears on official documents. Phone number, you'll receive a verification code here. Click Continue after filling out these details. Step 4. Verify your email and phone number. Exness will send a verification code to both your email and phone number. Enter the codes as prompted to verify your contact information, ensuring your account's security and compliance with regulations. Step 5. Choose your account type. Exness offers a variety of account types tailored to different trading needs. Beginners may start with a standard account, while experienced traders might prefer professional accounts with tighter spreads and higher leverage. You can select your preferred account type and even open multiple accounts under one profile. Step 6. Set up your trading platform. Exness supports popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as its own Exness platform. You can choose the platform that best suits your trading style and download it to your device. Each platform offers powerful tools, from technical indicators to charting options, suitable for all levels of traders. Step 7. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you're ready to make your first deposit. Exness supports various deposit methods, including: deposits are fast, with zero fees from Exness, and funds should reflect in your account shortly after. Step 8. Start trading. With your account fully set up, verified, and funded, you're ready to start trading. Use the Exness trading platform to explore Forex pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Remember to use risk management strategies to help protect your capital as you trade. Benefits of using the partner code m0e2l7l08k. Using the partner code m0e2l7l08k during sign-up may qualify you for exclusive partner benefits, including potential trading perks, bonuses, and personalized support. Make sure to enter the code in the registration form to access these advantages. The question is ready to begin your trading journey with Exness? Click the registration link in the description or comments below and sign up today using the partner code m0e2l7l08k to unlock additional benefits.